This is the third and final thrilling episode of how to remove the circular door spring from an Austin A40 Farina door lock and replacing it with a brand new one. You'll be pleased to know that the left hand door lock, which this is a lot easier to remove than the right hand door lock. Similar principle though, we take the two loose coil spring over the top so it's above the plate, and making sure that the door is in the door open position, we can then just remove that end of the spring there, put it back underneath the plate, and then roll it back to where it will be door closed, and we bring that round like so. So it's round that way, and then it's just underneath, and it comes out like that. Simple, as I say. To replace, we do the reverse. We take the brand new spring, place that underneath like so, rotate, and put that above. It's as simple as that. Push that over to the door open side so that it's fully open there, and then again bring the coils above the plate and then maneuver the end of the spring into there, coils underneath, clicky sound, job done. That's a lot easier than the right hand side, I've got to say. So good luck and happy spring changing.